going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel, and we're going to be fixing my carbon fiber lip. So it caught some casualties. I think this was from that debris on 695. Showed you a video of that, and this was, I think, from transit. That was the only casualty from transit. So this is my daily driver. This is exactly why I got this lip, not an authentic one, because if anything happens to it, it's gonna, you know, it ain't gonna hurt so bad. I'll just get another one if it gets too bad, but we are going to plastidip. Fuck you if you hate this. I love it. Plastidip this right here just to make it a little more uniform, because when you pull it back you can actually see that white. I don't care about the full repair. It's a rather cheap lip. Definitely held up though. Great weave. I digress. We're just gonna get that to make it a little more uniform. Open up the bag, just poke a hole through it to minimize overspray. Got some painter's tape, tape off that, and we're just gonna blast it with some black plastidip inside the bag. I'll show you the after results. Get a nice little spray while it's wet. Go ahead and rip it off. It's painter's tape, so it should pop right off. Look at that. Looks much better. Much better. Can barely tell if you're looking for it, you're just looking too close. So we're gonna repeat the other side, and that'll be the video. It's gonna be the same side. I ain't gonna really show y'all the other side. Been another episode of BWI2ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And a real quick one, see you next time.